YouTube. You could be anywhere in this world, but you're right here with us. So thank you for joining us. I'm Chris. This is Dave. And what a week, Dave. What a fucking week.
You know what, man? God damn it. God damn it. I don't know how we do it, but we fucking do it. But before we begin, guys, before we get this video going and talk jibber jabber, please hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. We really want to get this content out there. And if you could help us do that, we would appreciate that, because Chris and I, we truly believe in what we're sharing. A lot of the content that we're covering in regards of the trading industry. And if it's helping you, it could probably help somebody else. We're really on a mission to help the 90% of retail traders make it to the top tier 10% of professional traders, because this is not a business for amateurs. It is for professionals only. And unfortunately, a lot of the information out there it's just horseshit, man, if we're being honest. You know, we live in a world drowning in this abundance of information, especially in the trading industry, and yet people are still losing money. So that's just disgusting to me. It's atrocious, and it just goes to show that the quality of information out there is subpar, and it's not helping anybody. So
But you're in good hands if you're watching us. So that's a
yeah,
good thing.
we don't want to sound cocky or arrogant, but at the same time, you know, a lot of our information has been helping our students. It's been making us money consistently year after year. And if it's helping them, it's helping us. It might help you guys, and it might help other people that are just really trying to make this thing work. Because trading is a possibility, man. You need to make sure you're absorbing the right information. You got the proper tools, and you understand what the hell you're doing in the market. So that's what we're here to do. But anyways, with that said, just hit that like button. We would greatly appreciate that. And let's get straight into the video, man. This is just a quick recap of what the fuck just happened on the Euro USD, CAD yen. Everything played out to the T. And we're going to go ahead and show results. A lot of us, you know how we do it in the creed, man. We put our fucking money where our mouth is. It's just, how else do you know whether somebody is a trader or not? Whether you know somebody knows what they're talking about or not. And the only way to do that is you take your trades, you do the pre-trade, live trade results, good or bad. That's what we do time and time again here. We show you our losses, man. We don't cherry pick this shit. But go ahead and watch our prior video if you haven't before you get into this one, so you know what the hell that so you know what we're talking about. And everything just played out to the fucking T, man. So we're just gonna do a quick recap on what happened. If you go back to our prior video, we said that we were literally around this area. We said we would take a short if there was any breaches around the 17,500, 17,600. We took that goddamn short. If you missed it up there, it's okay. We anticipated a pullback, because 9 times out of 10, that's what happens. We got a little micro range as well here, confirmed range, stop hunt, taking out those little sellers right there. And then boom, impulsive move, made targets to the lows. We were in and out. And right now, we took another short. Now, I don't know if we recommend taking a short now. You probably already missed the trade. We don't advise that you take a short, because probably by the making of this video, our targets would have been made and stuff like that. But man, this is just the beauty of understanding what you're doing, having a process, having edge in the markets, and taking your trades with confidence. A lot of our guys made money. Once again, we made money once again. So that's what's going on in the Euro USD. It just played out. We took profit at the midpoint, low of the range. We currently took a trade here. I'm going to highlight that for you right there. Give me a second, peeps. And we will go ahead and pull up our Discord just so you guys can see. God damn, what the hell? So you can see that we did take the trade. We're not guys that just talk out of our ass. We put our money where our mouth is. We know what we're doing. We like to show you that. None of this is to brag, to flex, to boast. It's just to inspire you that you can do it too. There's nothing particularly special about Chris and I. We're just two dudes that love the fucking markets. We love learning. We love being masters of our craft. We're on that perpetual pursuit to just be the best, man. Mind you, this is not a business for amateurs. You got to be the fucking wolf, the apex predator in the game. You got to be a professional. You got to be the best at something, man. And we specialize in order flow analysis, liquidity manipulation, i.e., stop hunting any and all of the covert and deceptive tactics that these big entities are deploying into the markets to rape you. I'm sorry. We're just being honest. They're here to take your goddamn money, man. This isn't a goddamn charity case. So, anyways, we were short here. We were expecting a breach of these highs. We didn't expect this bullish move to follow through. Break of that low, boom. We're already in the money anyways. Once again, we'll show you that in just a second. We're gonna rinse and repeat. Target at the midpoint. We're expecting a flush of this low. We're expecting a Friday reversal. So once this low gets breached, we might get a massive spike to the moon.
Yep.
But we will see. That is price action that we don't know for certain, but we know where to take our targets and exit. And then if we start to get signs of strength coming into the market, we will take a long. But for right now, that played out beautifully. Let's go ahead and take a look at the CAD yen. Excuse me. Hopefully you didn't hear that little burp. CAD yen, we also were expecting some downside. This played out amazing. Amazing. We were expecting, go back to our prior video, we literally cannot make any of this up. We were expecting
it pulled back to 8,300. That's where it was exactly.
Yeah, man. We were expecting the structure point to be invalidated. We were looking for any manipulation, signs of manipulations at the highs. Generally, this is what our technical setups would look like. They don't always look like that, but you know, you get some variation like that. It'll kind of just look like a double top. We call them a double swipe. Whatever the fuck you want to call it, whatever it looks like to you. The point is, any breaches above those were fair game for us to take a short. We were expecting price to run these lows. We had our target there and potentially make it down these lows. But once again, we were saying we were treading murky waters. You want to take an extended target. But make sure you're in and out of your trade. We could probably still get those lows run. But at this point, if you're not out of your trade, you're letting your dick hang in the markets, man. And may the markets have mercy if you're trying to really to scratch as much of those pips as you can. Just this is never financial advice, but if you're still in a trade, we advise that you clock it out already. But you should have had your target right there, and then maybe somewhere around the structure point at the 79,800. You should have been in and out of your trades. But that's it, man. Everything played out to the T. Unfortunately, we did not take a trade on the CAD yen, but it's amazing to see our analysis play out. Because the more that you are, I guess you could say, acclimating these setups, the more you're taking snapshots, studying why these things work, it just becomes second nature, and you're going to be ready in lifetime to execute with confidence, with fearlessness on your trades. And it's just rinse and repeat. Literally,
Feels like exercising, right, Dave? It's like you're exercising a method.
That's it, man. You're just exercising. It's just rinse and repeat, and it's consistency over and over. Nothing about this is glamorous. It's not exciting. I think the only fun comes from obviously when you're making the money and just watching your ideas come into fruition. That's the best part of this. But yeah, man, most of this stuff is just boring. Rinse and repeat, trial and error, consistency. And you do it day in, day out, week in, week out, month after month, year after year, until you drop dead. That's pretty much it, man. So that's all we wanted to show. Everything played out well. As we said, we just took a short on the Euro USD. We don't advise that you take the short now. The risk reward probably isn't there. If you do get some pushback, then you might look to take a short, have your stop loss above the high. As we just discussed, let me just pull that back up. Let me pull up the Euro. If we do get some pushback, I don't see it happening, man. I really don't, guys. But if it does, if we get some pushback right there, that would be an opportunity to take a short. Just please be sure you have your stop loss. Give it some breathing room, man. But yeah, if you're looking to take the short now, just the risk reward isn't there. I mean, you could probably get away with the 1-to-1 if you're looking to take it slightly. Day is practically almost over. It's just we didn't have the opportunity to make the video in live time, unfortunately. But yeah, we're in the trade. We will show you that. I'm going to give Cris host 1 second.
Yep. You got a little chat going on the Discord as well. Looks like we got other members making some money with us this morning.
Let me go ahead and put this shit out. All right, my man. I think you could accept host. I don't. or
Sounds
do I
good.
got to give you access to that?
I got it.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead and pull up our Discord, Chris, and let's show the peeps what we've been up to. Making money as always. Unfortunately, I didn't have like a killer, five figure, another 5 figure trading day, but I scaled down on my risk a little bit, just making sure that I'm not getting greedy with it. I'm losing my traction on reality, and that I'm not too keen on donating the profits that I just made back to the markets. It's not what we're here to do. So I didn't go balls to the walls on these ideas, but nonetheless, look at that. That's our boy Cutter. That's our boy Cutter. Yes, sir. That is right. The euro is paying us fat. Let's go ahead and take it back a little after the prior video that we did. Yeah, bro, we've been milking the shit out of this week.
If you guys see a lot of milk gifts, we like
Yeah,
to
a
we like
lot
to
of
have some fun,
a lot of milking has been going on, but
a lot of milking.
yeah, I think that's it, bro. We can go scroll down a little bit.
Where we at? Let me just.
Oh, it was there. Yeah, it was a
Yeah.
little up. My bad. Okay, no, that was last. That was literally last week. So we already covered all of that. That was that short. That was the short that we took, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So there we go. Pull that up. Look at that, guys. That's exact. We said we were gonna do what if that scenario presented itself. We acted on our idea. I took a couple of shorts on that puppy. Target at the low, and I had an extended target. You can't see it there, but I did have an extended target. That was the money that we were making. Obviously, that's unrealized. It's not banked profit yet, but it was good to see that we were in the money fairly quickly. That's how we like our trades, man. We like to be in the green almost instantaneously. Your best trades are the ones where they're working in your favor almost instantaneously. It's not fucking with your psychology. You don't tamper with your trades. Look at that, man. Look at that. I did liquidate some positions because I was like, you know what? I'm a little overexposed. If we do get a swipe up, I don't want to give up those gains. And we are up $27,000 for the month, man. That is a big month for me. I haven't had a month like this in a while, but it's just been trading has been great to me. That's me. I love those fucking baby gifts, man. They're fucking hilarious. And we have fun in here too, man. We have fun. That's what it's all about. We love having fun. Let's keep going down. Let's see any of our guys making money. There's our boy Rise, man. Look at that. Look at that. He's been literally trading the Aussie. That's been his bread and butter for the week. He's been killing the Aussie. See what else we got going on down here. And then you got your boy Cris, man, with the stacks, man. Look at that. Made a pretty penny off the euro. Made a pretty penny off the euro. My man. That's how we do. Let's keep looking. A lot of our guys have been literally, this is the stuff that we teach them. It's just basic shit, rinse and repeat over and over. And mind you, this is one of our newer students. He just joined us, I think it was this month, or last month, I think. I think it was last month, sometime last month. But they're picking up on the principles fairly quickly because of the mechanics, dude. We could teach you the mechanics like no, we could teach a fucking baby this shit, man. It's not hard. The sophisticated aspects and elements of our method is really where they struggle in the beginning, but they get it over time. And the technicals is not that's the least of anybody's concerns because we can teach you the technicals once again like nobody's business. But yeah, man, speaking the language of the markets, picking up on minor details, major clues, that's what is going to take a little bit of time. But most of
Reacting
our
on
guys,
live price, but yeah, most like you said, Dave, most of our guys are catching on pretty quick. It's
yeah,
like it kind of goes back to what we were saying in the beginning of the call, where it's just exercising. That's really all it is. Once you exercise your method, then you have an idea of how you react during live price stuff like that, you know.
yes, sir, yes, sir. So
So,
let's
as
roll.
always, here in the Discord channel, we show a pre-analysis. We take live trades. This is me posting an idea for the Aussie USD. I posted my reasoning why. Um, Got my first take profit hit, so I'm up 1,506 for the day, including those euro shorts. Yep. And then here's the update on the Aussie. So I walked the guys that morning, play to play. The moment first take profit hit, I advised them, and then what is
Beautiful,
this
dude.
here?
All your targets. No, not all your targets. You were still waiting on another one, right?
Yeah, my take profit too hit on the Aussie, but I gave up another idea. I ended up going long on the euro as well. Here it is. Similar structure, same thing. We were milking the shit out of it.
Gorgeous, bro.
Yep. And of course, we show results. Here's
That's
me
it,
taking
man.
another long and another beautiful play on the pound yen.
This is what you
And
get with us, guys. This is exactly what you get with us.
check
We
out that
don't,
bounce,
yeah.
live price.
We post our trades in real time if we have the opportunity. So our guys that are still learning, they can take these trades with us, assuming that they understand their own risk controls, that we can always be wrong, but we get it right more often than we're wrong, because that's what edge is, man. That's what having edge is. But yeah, we always post our pre-trade, and we walk through the trades, man. We take the live trade in front of our guys, and then we post the results, good or bad. We don't hide anything. We're always walking through the reasonings behind our ideas. That way they really start to understand this stuff. It's like really getting honed in and drilled in into their brains. What else? When we do our weekly sessions, we cover these trades. We get into much more thorough detail as to why it worked out, why we took it. Then we scan for more opportunities, and we apply our foundations, our principles, stuff like that. Let's see what else we got going on here, bro.
That same day, clocked out all those trades that I was posting live. That same day, 2,500 right in front of the guys. Some of the guys made money as well.
$2,500 check in a day. Mind you, everybody's results are going to vary. Some guys are, making a couple bucks, $100, $1,000. Some of us are making five figures. It's not the amount that matters. It's where you're at in your own individual journey, and just focusing on the process, and then focusing on scaling up intelligently, which is what we train you to do. That's our boy Cris, almost 3 grand. Boom. Like, this is the beauty of having volatility in the markets, man. 2020 can either make you or fucking break you. And it's making us, man. It's making us a lot of goddamn money. These gifts, man. To be fair, we've been killing it. What else do we got? What else do we got in here, man? There we go. There we go. More ideas. A lot of our guys acting on our ideas. And then I think the last of it, man, was just, yeah, we've been pretty active. We've been hella active in this. There's really not much that you could get with us other than this, man. So if you guys are literally not seeing the performance that you want, not seeing the results that you want, consider joining us, man. Joining the movement. Our family has been growing pretty rapidly since the time that we started, because, people see the possibility in trading. They just may not have the proper guidance. Here, you're getting guidance from experienced traders, people who know what they're doing, that have skin in the game. We have a couple years under our belt. We're humble enough to the extent that we know we got a lot to learn. But what we do know right now is making us money. It's making us money consistently, and we have no ulterior motives, man. We pour everything that we can into you. We genuinely want you guys to succeed. Once again, you get weekly sessions, you get our YouTube videos, you get one-on-one coaching if you need it, you get pre-trades, live trades, results. We encourage people to post results here, because how else can we help you if we don't know where you're at in your trade? Like, we're the kind of guys, man, you post something that's not good, we'll tell you, that's not a good trade, bro, or walk us through your idea. You can't do it, we tell you, clock that trade out. It's a shit trade. If it's a good trade, we tell you it's a good trade. Or if you give us an idea that you want us to break down, we'll break it down for you, our reasons behind it. And that is the trade that we just took. It was today, right? That was
This
today?
morning, yes, sir.
This morning. That was this morning, literally right now in the video that we just covered. And it's unfolding absolutely beautifully. There's our guy, man. He took a similar idea on the Euro Yen. That is me crying tears of joy, because I'm proud of every single one of our guys. Look at that. This is, we have to post this. This is our breakdown on, was it yesterday's video, Cris, or the day
It was
before?
on Monday, I think, the Euro
Yeah,
USD, right?
whatever. The point was that this was the breakdown that we did lifetime on our YouTube. I didn't even tamper with this. You guys can see the lines of how it unfolded, and it unfolded to the fucking T. To the fucking T, man. It's just rinse and repeat. This is stuff I know the Euro like the back of my goddamn hand. And what else? What else do we got here? And that's it. That's literally it, man. It has been nothing but insane results for each and every single one of us in our Discord. It's been active. The volatility has been great. The markets have been great to us, and we hope to see you on board with this, guys. We really do. We hope that most of the content that we're posting is helping you. We hope that you made money off our video there, because that's what we want, man. You don't have to join our Discord. We'll still give you some good trades. But if you guys are looking to enhance your edge, get your shit together, and start making money 2020 and the years moving forward, join the creed, bro. Welcome to the fucking family. Join the wolf pack, because this is what we do. So we got nothing else to add. If you like this video, I know we didn't really cover much. It was just a
I
quick
want to add
recap.
one thing actually, Dave. I just want to give an update on our upcoming schedule, the way we're going to work our YouTube. So I just want to advise everyone that on Mondays we're going to start with giving you guys some type of ideas for the weeks, so you guys can make some money. And then Wednesday, we'll start with giving you some of our content from our weekly meetings. And then after Monday after that, we'll do a recap of the prior Monday update with updated ideas for that upcoming week. So you guys have an idea what to expect from our YouTube. Just because I know the last couple of weeks we've been giving a lot of just like educational content, not really giving you guys any ideas on live price, but we're gonna change things up, so you guys can make some money with us and you guys can see how transparent we are. Because how do you know that what we're teaching uh, works if we're not even showing you results? So that's what we like to do. We like to be transparent. We like to show you guys results, and it's not like like you say, Dave, to boast or brag, but what other way are you going to be able to know that our ideas are working?
Yeah, man. There's a lot of smoke and mirrors in this industry. We like, trust me, I've been in the game for a while to know that there's just a lot of horseshit around. People cherry pick their best trades. They act like they're these geniuses that never lose a trade. It happens in Twitter. It happens on YouTube. Like, everybody's just trying to hawk a course at you. Most of these, like, there's a bunch of ads of these guys who crack these little secrets and patterns to the, like, there ain't no fucking secrets to the game, bro. Most of these guys' business models are geared around making money, selling you courses and stuff like that. Yes, we understand that we're selling you a subscription to our Discord, but we don't need your fucking money. Like understand that we don't even make a lot of money from our Discord anyways to sustain ourselves. Like we sustain ourselves just fine with our trading income, rest assured. But at the end of the day, man, we truly believe that if you have a valuable service, there's no harm in charging anything. And I think for what we give you, that's a reasonable price. So consider the possibilities of where you're at in your trading career. And if you need the help, we're always here, man. But either way, we love each and every single one of you. We are going to continue to post quality content to help you guys out there, because we know that trading can be a lonely profession, and it can be really ruthless when you're just not seeing the results. It's like you might make a couple good trades, you think you cracked it, only to give your profits back. You start falling into that destructive behavior again, where you're over leveraging yourself, over trading, doing all this dumb shit. Our method, Cris and I, we've designed our method to eradicate as much of the decision-making process as possible. That's where the technicals come in. And then here we are guiding you by helping you understand the language of the markets, what it's communicating to you, and how to have proper risk controls, how to play our trades, how to become professional day traders. And dude, most of our guys, that's why they're seeing instantaneous results, is because we're helping them move away from their destructive behaviors. And when you're winning more often than you're losing, you're more likely to stick to your fucking method. You're more likely to stick to your process. So that's why I'm not really into these theories of like, if you have a 50% strike rate or even lower, but you're making a 1 to 2 on every trade, you're gonna make money. Yes, maybe in theory and in mathematics that's a viable idea. But the problem is what I've learned through many years of experience is that in practice, in practicality, it's not viable, man. Because when you're losing trade after trade after trade after trade, you might make 1 win or 2 wins here, and losing trade after trade, and maybe you get that one big winner from a trend. Like, people can't stick to that, dude. Trust me, I've tried. You just can't do it. Maybe some people can if you're a fucking robot, but most people, they can't handle losing and losing and losing and losing. You can't do it, man. It's gonna fuck with you. So anyways, that's all we have. We hope that this week has been great to you. It certainly has been great to us. We hope that you continue to stick with us on our journey, and we hope that our content continues to help you guys out. So once again, just hit that like, subscribe, notification bell button. We would greatly appreciate that. And if our content is helping you out, share it with one of your trading buddies. Maybe they might like it. Maybe they may not like us. Whatever, but we appreciate all the love and support that we've been getting as of late. We genuinely do. We love each and every single one of you. Don't forget that. We love all of our students as well. If any of you guys are watching this, Just know that we're proud of you. We are immensely proud of all of you. And let's kill it. Let's continue to kill it the way we do. You got anything to add to that, Cris?
Nothing much, brother. Love you.
Love you, man. Trade safe, trade smart, trade well, but most importantly, have fun with it, y'all. Until next time.
Have a
Deuces.
good one, guys.